Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about a very unique feature about entire X60 series, which is ZEISS Biotar Portrait Style. Let's have a look. To activate ZEISS Biotar Portrait Style, switch to the camera, Portrait, Style, ZEISS Biotar. Adjust your frame, just capture it. Another one.
The result image. Amazing. You can see the picture. The objects in the background are in a spinning manner and make your portrait more stylish, artistic. See some sample images.
The ZEISS Biotar Portrait Style, which gives you a fantastic and artistic portrait images. It will enhance your portrait photography experience. Stay safe. Thank you.